Today I wanted to share a look at the Discbound planners that I purchased along with my new Cameo 4. Since I'm a complete newbie to Discbound planners, there are definitely some issues that confuse me. If you're new here, my name is Linda and I'm a graphic designer who loves paper, printables, and crafting. I share my pattern paper designs and printables for free download on my blog, tortagialla.com, so feel free to check the link down below and take a look. Here on YouTube, I share do-it-yourself paper crafting projects, so be sure to subscribe for more videos. Okay, with my last order from PRINTABLES, I saw some Discbound planners on sale, so I decided to add them in my order. I've seen a lot of planning videos, and I've always wanted to go Discbound because of the flexibility and ease of adding pages and rearranging. So I went ahead and made the purchase. I ordered a classic Happy Planner, the Wealth Budget Kit, and also the Good Day Planner Kit from American Crafts because I was just intrigued by the pretty colorful designs and wanted to compare. I also ordered the disc punch so that I can add in papers. It is the PRINTABLES brand instead of the official Happy Planner version, but it's basically the same thing and it costs less. So I've already opened up the planner from the boxes that they were in. They were kits. So besides the planner itself, the dividers, and the inserts, it also included some stickers to label them because they are undated, and some post-it notes basically. But you can find that all online where they list what's included. But I'm basically looking at the planner themselves, and since these are two different brands, I just wanted to see what the difference is, if there really is a difference, or if it's mostly just the design themselves in terms of the many different types of covers and beautiful designs that are offered. So let's take a look at this American Crafts Good Planner or Good Day Planner Kit. I ordered it because I just thought it was such a cute design. I like the colorfulness and it just looked like something very cute to be able to use. I don't really know much about it and I have not seen it shown online very much, so I don't know if it's just sort of a one-off, if it's still available, or maybe if it's something that was just more here in Europe. But in comparison to the Happy Planner, the classic Happy Planner size, you can see that it's a little bit smaller, just a bit shy. So I suppose it's just like an odd size because it's not necessarily fitting for European like A4 type of paper either. It just seems to be their own unique size. In terms of the discs themselves, the discs seem a bit less good quality, like not as good quality as the Happy Planner ones. They're both plastic, but it just seems to be like cheaper plastic, a little bit lighter, and it also seems a little bit thicker, like the discs themselves, which is weird because it's the same punch that you would use for all of these. As I flip through, I've already sort of rearranged some of the pages inside as I was looking through. So it comes with all the month dividers, and then within each month, you get a monthly calendar and the weekly overview. But the thing that I was concerned about is if you look at the paper themselves, the paper quality itself isn't that good. It seems to be like a very sort of fibrous paper, and the punch for all of the disc part, they just seem to be like really roughly cut. So I don't know if I just received a bad one or if American Crafts like Discbound, this sort of line of planners was just not the best made, but the paper itself is just really scraggly looking, and you can definitely tell as you're turning the pages, and if you compare it with the Happy Planner, you can definitely tell that the pages were just sort of not punched properly. So the inserts themselves is a monthly calendar and then the weekly, and the thing that just immediately threw me off was that everything is a Sunday start. And I suppose a lot of people do use Sunday start calendars, but it's completely odd to me. I've always functioned with Monday start and keeping the weekends on the right-hand side. So this is a little bit, just sort of really off for me. I don't know if it's something that I can even use. And I know that people will cover up the headings and sort of relabel them. So maybe that's a possibility. I do like the lines, but in terms of the paper itself, the paper is like a little bit less quality in my mind when compared to the Happy Planner. It just seems sort of like maybe it's like recycled paper or something, so it has that aspect of being sort of like fibery almost. Maybe that's why it didn't punch very well. But in general, it's, you know, it'll work fine, obviously, if you get it on sale, and I'm pretty sure this is not like a new design, but it's definitely not like the highest quality. You obviously get what you pay for, I suppose. And maybe because American Crafts, they do so many things, Discbound planners are probably not their forte, so they obviously don't have like the highest quality. But I really do love the design and the dividers, so that's sort of the reason why I got it. So if you look at the Happy Planner right now, the Happy Planner discs are definitely a bit more hefty. They're cuter with the heart inside, but besides that, they just seem to be thinner, like more like designed better for the actual turning of the pages, and even the plastic cover itself seems thicker to me. So I was trying to punch papers, and you can see like punching with that punch, like the papers will go in just fine. And the Happy Planner, of course, this is a budget Happy Planner, so it has this monthly budget, it has the dividers, and as I look at the paper, you can see that it's been punched really nicely, which is a complete contrast to the American Crafts one that was all raggedy with little bits of paper hanging around. So you can tell this budget planner is from 2019, so it's not really new, but it is undated. So again, Sunday Start monthly calendars is the beginning of each month, and I guess that's just the way that most of the planners are set up unless you buy different inserts. But oddly enough, for the Happy Planner, the weekly layout is a Monday Start. So maybe this is something that I can use, and maybe it doesn't matter because I'm not really using this for appointments. It's more budget tracking. So I don't know. I still have to make a decision on this, on how it is I'm going to use it. But in terms of the cute designs and the quality of the paper and the dividers, the Happy Planner definitely is what I expected from just watching videos. I've never had an actual official Happy Planner before. So, you know, I'm pretty happy about that and understanding why, you know, it costs a little more because the papers, they are thicker, and it seems like it would take whatever pen you might use. And of course, I just love the dividers and the designs, all the color. That's one of the things that I think makes your planner more inviting so that you would want to use it. So a lot of these quotes, and of course, everything is undated and unlabeled. This is a kit that came with like monthly stickers and numbers so that you can go in and number them yourselves. Or if I don't end up liking the calendar, maybe I'll design some inserts and punch them and put them in there so that I could get that Monday Start monthly calendar, because it just, at a glance, like it seems very off to me. So I don't want that to be like a source of confusion for myself. But I definitely want to use the expense tracker because one of my goals in terms of budgeting is to track all of my cash expenses a little bit better. Everything that is electronically done is so easy to track online and in Excel sheets and things. It's all of the little cash tidbits that's what's difficult for me to track. And we do use a lot of cash here in Italy because we live in a small town. Pretty much everything that you buy in town is going to be cash. So that is the classic Happy Planner. And again, I don't know about the calendar situation. If you are a Sunday Start or a Monday Start person, definitely let me know. And please do tell me if you have like favorite YouTubers that use the Happy Planner for budgeting, and if you would recommend them, because I definitely want to jump into that and work on this for myself. Okay, thanks for stopping by to watch this video. You can like or comment below and let me know if you have any suggestions. Subscribe for more videos where I'll be sharing more paper crafting and DIY videos. Until next time, goodbye.